bat with 2 Cardinals aboard, so maybe the Cardinals can tie it back up pretty quickly here. Set at the belt, and the 3-2 pitch is low, ball 4. Oh wait, they said he sung. They said he swung at the pitch, and Nolan Arenado just lost it, and
he's
he just
been
got
tossed out of the
game.
game. Unbelievable.
Oh my goodness.
And then he kicks him out of the game and smiles in his face.
He called him on the swing. Nolan does not believe he did swing, and whatever he said to our home plate umpire got him tossed immediately.
Top of the lineup, and Lars Nootbaar twice has flied out to right, 0 for 2.
Nootbaar gets under another one. Hits it high to right field. That's way back, and that is gone. Nootbaar put a charge into it. A high, lofty home run about 5 rows deep in the bleachers.
Noot is having himself a series here.